Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix League of Legends not opening. Alright, let's begin. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Look under Apps or Background Processes for League of Legends. If it appears, select it and click End Task. Next, locate the League of Legends icon on your desktop. Right-click it, select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Under Settings, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Change High DPI Settings, then check Override High DPI Scaling. Click OK, then Apply. If the issue persists, right-click the League of Legends shortcut and select Open File Location. In the new window, click the back arrow to navigate up one folder. Open the League of Legends folder, locate the Logs and Config folders, and delete them. Empty your recycle bin, then restart the game. If League of Legends still does not open, visit support.riotgames.com to submit a ticket. Riot Games support can investigate the issue and suggest further steps. So that's basically how you can fix League of Legends not opening. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.